Why should only children wish their father on Father's Day? I mean, today I would like to wish Naveen a very happy Father's Day by draping this beautiful shawl as a gratitude for being the best, super best father for my two little kids. I mean, our two little kids. And you know guys, I travel almost 15 to 20 days in a month. And it's only because I have such a supporting husband who fulfills my role as a mother by being a great father in my absence. I mean, isn't a fabulous job what he's doing? Today, I would like all of you to let your husbands know all the great qualities he has as a father. And trust me guys, he needs that validation from no one else but you.
Happy Father's Day,
Happy
Appa.
Father's Day.
I love you so
much.